Hi, my name is Guilherme. I came from Brazil and I'm living in Florianópolis. Today I'm studying architecture for 2 years, and I would like to make this program because I want to improve my English and get new culture, make new friends and ride snowboard. And in Aspen I could work with rental ski because I have a good experience with snowboards and I practiced snowboard for 4 years, and I think that I know how to fix the board, and so this will be so easy for me working with rental ski. And the few months I was in South Argentina traveling to Ushuaia riding snowboard, and here my favorite hobby is play soccer, stay with my friends, ride sandboard and snowboard. And if someday you came here, I'm gonna show you so many places, beautiful places, and like you wish. And here we have so many beaches, beautiful beaches, and the city is so big and beautiful. It's just this. Thanks. See you soon.